Okay, an easy way to put signal into a pad mount like this without having to open it up is you can go direct hookup right to the housing. By doing this, we don't have to open this up, open up the door to use our inductive clamp, and you can feed right through the signal through a ground strap since this is grounded and locate the cables that are coming out. One important thing to note though is on a direct hookup, you must scratch through the paint in order to get a good bite into it. So now that we've made direct contact, I will go back, and typically on your locate you'll be depressing the on button, of course, and also depressing the high button. Then we can go out and try to pick up that signal. Now, if we cannot pick the signal up or we don't get the tracing distance that we need, we can go ahead and ground the instrument, thus boosting it, boosting our signal. Again, hooking to an isolated ground, it's just going to create a more signal strength. Again, if I'm going to work in close between, say, 60 or 50 feet, you probably don't need the ground. It's going to be too much signal, and it makes the sensitivity control on your receiver gun very sensitive. So you may want to first try it without a ground, and if you can trace it that way, that's just fine. If you need to go further in distance, you can go ahead and ground it out, thus boosting your signal. Now, a lot of people ask if the high-low switch has to match the high-low switch on the receiver. That's not true. The high-low switch on the receiver gun is only used when you cannot pick up the signal anymore, when you have your signal just turned up to a maximum. Then it would be time to go to high power. The high-low switch on your transmitter just determines how much signal is going to come out. So if you're going to work in close, you can try low power, you can try it without a ground. If you're going to track further, go ahead and ground it out, or go ahead and turn it up to high power.